La Union na kayo ebidensya, mabalik kayo tumuras. Talaga namang pas-pas duras ang La Union. Bilang regional center, lahat kayo na sana tulong-tulong na ulit at ipamalas ang tunay na solid North. So, kailangan na katakayo amin, at kailangan na agbyag ni San Fernando, agbyag La Union ni Ilocos Norte, agbyag ni Solid North kayo. Just a minute.
When I say that peace and order in the community and the safety of our people should be a major priority. In the case of our province, La Union, peace and order has allowed us to continuously take the necessary steps and developments as we position La Union to become the heart of agri-tourism in Northern Luzon by 2025. As public servants and leaders, we have no greater responsibility than the safety of our people, since people should and must actualize their dreams and aspirations in a community where freedom and security are guaranteed. Mr. Lima, God bless us all, and God bless Region 1.